Hello students, all of you welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to solve 7 sums in aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid chapter. Okay, let us see the first question. Okay, simple one. So I already told you study all the naming reactions. So then only you can able to solve the sums. So in this reaction CH3CN plus 2H. 2H means reduction. Okay, HCl and ether is added, we get X. Then which undergoes boiling process to get Y. The term Y you have to find out. Okay, that's a question. Simple one. CH3CN. CN, if you see CN means it is a Stefan's reaction. Okay, so see, CH3CN undergoes reduction. Okay, so I write it here. Simple one. Okay, see, CH3CN, it undergoes reduction. No, I put one H here. I put one H here. So it becomes what? We get the product, CH3, CH double bond. I write it here once again. So CH3CN undergo reduction, we get the product CH3CH double bond NH. Again, which on boiling to get the common. That common we have to find out here. I write it here. CH3, single bond, CH double bond, NH. Okay. Again, which undergo, to this we should have. Then one more thing here. Here, actually, tin chloride in presence of HCl. So here we are getting one dot product is also obtained actually. Okay. We get one dot product also. So which on boiling, when we add water, we get simple. Here, when we add water, the bond will break here. So it's a Stefan's reaction. You studied. You know that. Okay. This side, water molecule, water molecule outer split means O, then here H2. So this side, the product will be what? CH3, CHO. Understood? This is the product. Okay, try to understand. I also understand your situation. So we get the product CH3, CHO. CH3, CHO nothing but but actually this name is called IPS name ethanol. But first I already told you the first two members you should know common name as well as IPS name. Okay, so actually this is called ethanol, no, but here IPS name is given, so nothing but acetaldehyde. Option A is the correct one. Understood? So CN means you must remember it is called Stefan's reaction. Understood? Right. Next one. Okay, simple one. Which of the following compounds will give a yellow precipitate with iodine and alkali? Okay, iodine and alkali means you must know this is a alloform reaction. Okay, this is a alloform reaction. Okay, so this is a way to identify one of reagents having one the functions is there. From this only we should identify this is called what? What reaction? This is called what? Alloform reaction. Understood? Alloform reaction. Understood? Okay, right. Okay. So here the four compounds is given. Okay, which compounds undergo alloform reaction? Okay, that only we have to find out. Okay, so here acetophenone, methyl acetate, acetamide, then 2-hydroxy, propane. Here the option A is the correct one. That is here alloform reaction means we have one condition is there. What condition means? Here the compound should have what? CH3. The compound should have CH3 C double bond O. That group should be there. So any compounds having CH3 C double bond O group is there. That compounds what? That compounds undergo alloform reactions. Okay. So here when you write this, what's the formula for? What's the structure for acetophenone means CH3 C double bond O. Then here right hand side what? C6H5. Okay, C6H5. Okay. This is the formula for acetophenone. Okay. Then another one is here. It's the first one. Understood? Another one, what's the structure? CH3, methyl acetate. Methyl acetate means, what's the formula? CH3, C double bond O. Okay, here O, methyl acetate. Here what? CH3. It's the formula for methyl acetate. What's the third one? Third one what? Okay. Third one is, acetamide. Acetamide means, CH3, C double bond O, amide, no, you put what? NH2. Understood? put NH2. Then 2-hydroxypropane. 2-hydroxypropane means, the fourth one I'll write it here. 2-hydroxypropane. Propane means, 3 carbon. 2-hydroxypropane, no, here OH group. Then after you can fill by hydrogen, that CH3, here H, here what H, here CH3. Understood? It's called, okay, right. So these are the structure I have written. Okay. Now, what's the question? See the question, which of the following compounds will give a yellow precipitate with iodine and alkali? So mostly you take only the ketone compounds. Here, this is, this is called, alcohol compounds. This is called amide compounds. This is called, ester compounds. Okay. So the best one is, this is the ketone compounds. The ketone compounds having CH3 C double bond O group. No. So the any compounds undergo haloform reaction means it should have what? Methyl ketone. This is called methyl ketone. So it's having this group, methyl ketone group. The ketone or aldehydes having methyl ketone group that undergoes what? Or that will produce yellow precipitate with iodine alkali. So answer is what? A is the correct one. Understood? Right. Next one. Okay, simple. When you see palladium and barium sulfate, this is called what? Rosenman reduction. Okay. So from the reagents only we can identify the compounds. Okay. So you know that when it undergo reduction, simple, this H2 out. So I'll write it here once again. The product. Just wait a minute. Okay. So this is benzyl chloride. C double bond O. Cl here. Okay. Benzyl chloride. When it undergo reduction means we should add what? Hydrogen. Hydrogen for our convenience we can write like this, HH. Understood? Okay, right. Just when we add palladium and barium sulfate. Okay, this is a catalyst. This is called catalytic poison. So it stops the reaction at the stage of aldehyde. Okay, so it will do not allow to do further reduction. That's the purpose for adding barium sulfate. You know that. Okay, so when it undergo reduction, just imagine HCl here, H here, HCl will be removed, remaining in place of chlorine, H will come. So the product will be what? On benzene, we have CH group will be there. So that's why it's called what? Benzaldehyde. Understood? The product will be like this. Okay. Okay. Understood? So no, CH5, CHO. So answer is A. Understood? Next one. Okay. Iodoform test is not given by. So which one not undergo iodoform test? That's the question. Okay. So any compounds undergo iodoform means, the compound should have what? What's the condition? What is the condition for that? Compound should have what? What group should be there? The compound should have CH3, C double bond O. This one condition. Okay, just note the conditions, all of you. Okay, this is a condition, simple one. Any compounds undergo iodoform means this is a condition. The compound should have CH3, C double bond O group. Okay. Second one is CH3 CHOH group. CH3 CHOH group. Understood? Just okay, right. Any compounds having this structure are methyl ketone, this is called methyl carbinol. Methyl carbinol. Understood? So if you get this structure, this group is present in any compound that will undergo iodoform test. Okay, but see the question is different one. Iodoform test is not given by. Not given by means you write all the structure. So first I will write it here. 3 pentanone. Pent means what? Pent means what? We have 5 carbon. 3 pentanone means third carbon having what? Keto group. Understood? Then you can fill by hydrogen. Okay. See that CH3. See that CH2. Okay. Now here also CH2. Here also what? CH3. Understood? This is called 3 pentanone. But this is called, so actually what is the condition? Methyl ketone. The compound should have methyl ketone. But this is what? Ethyl ketone. So actually methyl ketone only can undergo iodoform test. See, this is called ethyl ketone, no? So answer is what? Not given by. All having what? This, it has what? This group will be there, ethanol. Ethanol also, this group will be there. 2 pentanone also, This group is there, but not given by means answer is what? D is the correct one. Understood? Right. The oxidation of toluene with CrO3 in presence of CH3CO twice O gives a product A. Okay. So if you see this, chromic oxide, acetic anhydride means you must know this is called what? Etard reaction. Okay. In Etard reaction, we are getting product always what? The Etard reaction, you must know toluene becomes what? Aldehyde. So toluene, aromatic common, no. So automatically the A is what? Aromatic aldehyde. Okay. So aromatic aldehyde means, what is this? Aromatic aldehyde means, it's a benzaldehyde. Understood? It's a benzaldehyde. So A, the common A is what? The product A is what? Benzaldehyde. Which on treatment with aqueous NaOH produces what? That's a question. Aqueous NaOH means, here NaOH, if you add NaOH, simple one. Okay. Immediately you must know it is a Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction. So Cannizzaro reaction, we are going to get two products. One benzaldehyde is oxidized, one benzaldehyde is reduced, but they are given in the option. The oxidized product only is given. Oxidized product means, but reduced product is not given. So then only, okay, right. Which on treatment occurs in to give products. Okay, then only I am saying. Actually, it undergoes Cannizzaro reactions. We are getting two kinds of product, but oxidized product only is given. Then only option A is the correct one. Understood? CH5CONA. Okay, right. Are you following? Next one. Okay. Which are the following represent the correct order of acidity in the given compound? Okay. Suppose acidity means which one is more electronegativity tendency. The compounds having highly electronegativity element that pulls the electrons towards itself. Then only the OH bond is weak. What is acidity actually? What is called acidity? The compound should give H plus ions very easily, isn't it? The compound should give H plus ions are very easily. So when it is going to produce the H plus ions very easily if you have more electronegative elements is present. So among this, that the electronegativity trend, that, okay, En, electronegativity trend, okay, that, what is the, who is more electronegativity? Fluorine, next one chlorine, next one what, bromine, next one is what? Iodine. This is the electronegativity trend, So the compounds having this element, or fluorine is present in any compound that pulls electron towards itself. Then only the OH bond is weak. So H plus ions are easily eliminated. So here fluorine, chlorine, then bromine. After that this is got electron donating group will come. So among this, understood. So among this, C option is the correct one. Understood? Right. Next one, simple one. Okay. CH3. Okay. CH3COOH, SOCl2. Just understood. Thionyl chloride, HCl, ECl5, PCl3. Any halogen compounds is added. What's the use of this? It replaces OH group by Cl. Okay. So then only the common A is what? The common A is what? CH3. Okay. Common A is what? CH3CO, Cl. Understood? I start from common A. Understood? Right. A is this one. Understood? Then reacts with, benzene. What happened? Reacts with benzene. Can I put like this? Okay, it's called reacts with benzene in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. This is nothing but Friedel Crafts reaction. So what happened? I have only one color. Okay, right. That H from here, Cl from here, Cl will be removed. Now what's the product? Studied. It's called Friedel Crafts acylation. No, when I write, you can understand. Understood? CH3. Okay, right. Okay, see. Actually, we are getting acetophenone is obtained. Understood? We are getting acetophenone. Okay. Okay, right. This is called acetophenone. Understood? So this is, this is called B. Understood? Right. Okay, this is B. Then again, it reacts with, it reacts with what? HCN. HCN. HCN means, for a convenience, we can write what? H plus Cn minus. This also you try to understand. I have only one color. Okay, plus no. it goes to O. This will join OH. Then CN comes here, this side. So simple. Okay, right. C, this side what? C. Okay, you know that, OH will come, no? OH, understood? Right. Here, CN goes to, top. Understood? Right. Again, this is called C. Okay, understood? This is called, C. But they're asking what? They're asking only D. D. Okay. So this is, CN. Whenever I told you many times, whenever if you have CN is present, CN, cyanide is present, it undergo hydrolysis. This becomes what? COOH. Understood? Try to understand. Okay. Here, OH. Understood? Here, whenever if you hydrolysis, CN becomes what? COOH group. Okay. Now see the compounds. Which one is? Benzene ring, CH3, COH, COH group. Isn't it? Okay. Right. Option D is the correct one. Are you following? Understood? Right. Simple. Okay. Thionyl chloride converts OH group into Cl. So when you see this means it's called Friedrich's acylation reaction. SCN means it's called nucleophilic addition reaction. Here hydrolysis. Whenever if you see CN cyanide becomes cyanide. When it undergo hydrolysis, it becomes COOH group. So option D is the correct one. Understood? Okay. I hope you've understood everything. Thank you, students.